So hello guys, there's a storm coming to Regina. So maybe there's a severe thunderstorm coming to Regina. As you might hear the thunder sound, it is 40% scattered thunderstorms. After this video, I'm gonna show you the temperature. Look at this, the clouds. High winds have started. Winds have started. So you might not hear the thunder sound, but I hear it. And there's winds outside, so there might be a thunderstorm. So there's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Esteban. So bye. We're back in Google. So yeah, right now the temperature is 29 degrees Celsius outside. We're gonna go in temperature. It is 40% scattered thunderstorms. So look, tomorrow it is also scattered thunderstorms. Today is the last day of June. So you hear the wind? You hear the wind? You hear the wind from background, right? So yeah. Bye.